Just installed a GE GFW 850 front load washer and it is tripping C outlet about 5 seconds after I hit start.
Do you know the model of your GE washer? How old is it?
GE GFW 850 tripping.
How long has this been going on with your GE washer? What have you tried so far?
It tripped 2 different C outlets but works fine on a normal outlet.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Brand new. Just delivered yesterday. Also brand new house.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is Mark, I'm an appliance repair technician with 20 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. Sorry to hear your washer is tripping the GFCI. That is frustrating. Here is what you need to try first to see if this is an issue with the washer or the GFCI is going out. Plug the washer into a different outlet, and see if the circuit trips when you use it. If so, then the issue is likely a problem with the motor. If not, then you want to replace the GFCI outlet, as it is starting to fail and trip. If you find that the breaker keeps tripping no matter what outlet you use, then there is an issue with the washer and you want to have it repaired. GE can do that for you. Here is the link to set up the service request: https://www.gappliances.com/ge/service and support/service.htm.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/ythi.